Today we're making Suspiro Limeño, a classic Peruvian gluten-free dessert. It serves 6 and takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes from start to finish. Let's do it. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk for a rich, silky base. 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk to balance sweetness and body. 4 large egg yolks to enrich the custard. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for aroma. 1 cinnamon stick to gently infuse the milk. 1 cup granulated sugar to cook the port syrup. 1/2 cup port wine for the classic Peruvian touch. 1/4 cup water to help dissolve the sugar. 3 large egg whites for the whipped Italian meringue. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon to finish on top. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Add 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk, and 1 cinnamon stick to a medium saucepan. Cook on medium-low, stirring until it just begins to steam, about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep cooking, stirring non-stop until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon, about 12 to 15 minutes total. Take it off the heat and discard the cinnamon stick. In a bowl, whisk 4 large egg yolks, then slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of the hot milk mixture to temper. Pour the tempered yolks back into the saucepan and cook on low, stirring, for 2 to 3 minutes without boiling. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then divide the custard into 6 small glass cups. Cover the surface of each custard and refrigerate until completely cold, about 1 hour. For the syrup, add 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup port wine, and 1/4 cup water to a small saucepan. Bring to a steady boil over medium heat. Cook the syrup without stirring until it hits 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Soft ball stage, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the heat. Meanwhile, in a clean bowl, beat 3 large egg whites to soft peaks. With the mixer at medium speed, slowly stream in the hot syrup and whip until glossy, stiff peaks form and the bowl feels cool, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chilled custards from the fridge and smooth the surface with a spoon if needed. Spoon or pipe the meringue generously over each cup, building tall swirls. Dust the tops evenly with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Refrigerate the assembled desserts for 15 minutes so the meringue sets gently. Serve the Suspiro Limeño well chilled and enjoy the contrast of silky manjar and whipped port meringue. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Peruvian classic, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tasty videos.